Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, and you're not, and welcome into my home. Today I'll be showing you how to make a fruit tray and make nice fruit decorations that look harder to make than they really are. So folks, we'll be right back.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a watermelon bowl for part of the fruit tray. And there's some really kind of cute things for the kids that I'll show you how to make. So this is a watermelon. Make sure your knife is sharp. Just taking a cookie cutter or a biscuit cutter. It's just a little bit of a different way of doing it. And then this one I saw on TV, so I can't take credit. It works better if you have a metal cookie cutter. And it makes a little, like a little tree. I cut the end of the watermelon off, and then I started serrating it like this. Sure. It's really easier than I'm making it look like. And you put it there. I'm taking an ice cream or a meatball scoop. Hoppa! And then it's making little balls. Kind of looks kind of pretty. And you can even take a tablespoon and twist. It makes like a little spearhead. And if you like, you can make lollipops for the kids at the party. So that's kind of a nifty little thing. Okay, and then another design you can make is I cut the top off the pineapple. I pre-cut this, zip, and I took the bottom off. And now you can take this, put a little bit of foil in it, and then put berries in. So we're going to do that too. Now the leaves of the pineapple, I cut to look like leaves. In other words, don't waste anything. So I'm going to just kind of stick them in here and there and here. So I'm going to put a little tin foil in the pineapple so it doesn't, you don't have to use as much berries. And that'll be our little secret. Don't worry if one or two pieces fall. And then you could save this for decorations, but I got 3 pineapples, so I don't need them. You can also stick that in the ground and it will grow. I just did this for a wine tasting, and I cut the pineapple into sixes. Like this, and then you just go boop, 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 boop. Now some people kind of alternate the slices like that. The other thing we're going to do, peeled the cantaloupe already, and I made a rose out of it. So waste not, want not. I took the seeds out of this, and I have my handy dandy melon slicer. And you can just kind of shingle the melon. We can do the same thing with honeydew. Oh, honeydew! And again, I peeled it. Boy, when you get older, these hands don't work as good as they used to, I tell you. It should be a little tighter. And again, and you can buy these at any restaurant supply or even Target or whatever. And these are just some cuties, you cutie. And look at these strawberries. They are just magnificent. If that doesn't impress your guests. Now, if we had that big hole here, look at it. Blueberries. But wait, there's more. And got these nice wheels for the watermelon. The good thing about making fruit trays or vegetable trays is just try to keep things look natural. Don't try to be exactly. And then, when you have grapes, I cut the grapes into little bunches. Because otherwise they're on the line and trying to tear these things apart. No, no, no. Just make it look natural. Yeah, and this is a fruit tray for two, by the way. I might be lying. And of course, you can always make crowns. Da 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 da, da 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 da. Crown here, crown there. And this one I didn't quite finish. Make sure nicer shirt. And they don't all have to be on the tray. A little greenery here. A little greenery there. And I think that's as pretty of a tray as you're ever going to see. One more thing. If you take an orange and go around the edges, you get this, and we call this a pigtail. And you take the pigtail and you kind of pull it through. And yes, some are going to break, so you eat the one that breaks and put a different one out. So, folks, this is Chef Carl Food Whisperer on YouTube. Please subscribe. We got 805, 806 subscribers and a couple thousand followers. We got people all over the world watching us. And thank God I have Ward here who does a super great job. And I want to thank all the first responders and all the people out there working, the firemen, the policemen, the teachers, nurses, the TV people, everybody. But come and watch us again, and you can ask me to make something. That won't happen right away because we tape ahead, and we'll try to get back to you. But Chef Carl saying I love you, and goodbye.